DAI is an algorithmic stablecoin issued by MakerDAO, an Ethereum-based protocol that seeks to maintain an exact ratio of 1-to-1 with the US dollar. This video will explain how DAI work. If a person borrows DAI, he will need to deposit Ether as collateral to the vault. Since Ether is volatile, there is a need for over-collateralization. Typically, the collateralization ratio is 150%. So if a person borrows 100 DAI and the price of 1 Ether is 150 US dollars, he need to deposit 1 Ether to the vault. If the person wants to get back his Ether, he will have to return the DAI with interest. The 100 DAI will be burned after return, and the person will have 1 Ether in his wallet. If the value of the Ether falls, the collateralization ratio might fall below the mean collateralization ratio of 150%. The MakerDAO will auto-liquidate the assets stored in the vault to the highest bidder. For example, if the highest bid is 120 DAI, then the bidder will get 1 Ether, 100 DAI will be burned, and the extra 20 DAI will go to the surplus reserve. How DAI maintain its value? It is through the simple mechanism of tweaking the demand and supply of DAI using interest rate. If the DAI value is more than 1 US dollar, the loan interest rate will decrease. As a result, more people will borrow DAI, DAI supply will increase and DAI price will drop. On the other hand, if the DAI value is less than 1 US dollar, the loan interest rate will increase. As a result, borrower will return DAI. DAI supply will decrease. DAI price will increase.
If you want to borrow DAI, you can go to Oasis Hub and log in using your MetaMask. You can borrow DAI using your favorite crypto asset, example Ether or Bitcoin. For instance, if you choose Ether, you will see this interface. You can enter the amount of DAI to borrow and Ether to be locked as collateral. Remember, the mean collateralization ratio is 150%. If you want to avoid liquidation, you can lock more Ether to increase the collateralization ratio. This concludes the short video tutorial on how DAI work. If you like this video, please like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.